This is an overview of the DKC05.3-100-7-FW drive, manufactured by Bosch Rexroth Indramat. These are among the most well-known servo drives used for either general-purpose automation or for machine tool applications. These drives are a part of the EcoDrive03 automation system, which enables users to fluidly and effectively control a wide variety of products because of extensive integral functionalities and a highly favorable price-to-performance ratio. The most common uses for these drives are in handling systems, printing and packing operations, food processing environments, and assembly lines. This specific drive I have here in front of me is, like I said before, is a DKC05.3-100. Opening the top cover, you can see the 05.3 option card found here on the side, which is a can open interface card. It is paired with a matching encoder. Encoders are usually 1.5 inches wide to 2 inches long, strapped down by this single screw here. They can be silverish or whitish in color. This particular drive has a 100 amperage rating, a voltage category of 7, and a firmware rating designated by either your needs or that which is placed upon by the factory. It can be used with multiple encoders for whatever application or setting you need to use the drive in. These drives can be powered on using 24 VDC, turning on internal bus amperage for the fans, boards, and option card components, such as the can open option card found here on the side. So I can turn that on for you now. If you would like more information concerning this DKC drive or any other DKC drive, please contact us via phone or email, which can be found below in the description. Thank you.